If you can hang a picture, you can hang your shutters in no time. Today, I'm going to show you just how easy it is. Grab these simple tools and let's get started. All shutters have the same basic parts: the frame, panels, and hardware. Today, I'm installing an outside mount shutter. Depending on the shutters you ordered, the pieces or parts you have may be a little different, but that's okay. You'll follow basically the same steps I'll go through here to hang them. Just be sure to check the instructions that came with your product before you start. The first step is to put the frame together. Notice that each section is marked to indicate where in the window it will be. T for top, B for bottom, L for left, or R for right. The number next to the letter tells you which window the shutter is for. Lay out the sections of the frame with the hinges facing the floor. Line up the top, bottom, left, and right sections of the frame into a rectangle. Since the front of the frame is facing the floor, the right and left sides should be flipped. Gently insert a Hoffman key into the slot on each end of the top and bottom sections. Then slide the edge of the key into the slots on the ends of the side sections and gently squeeze them together with your hands. Once you've assembled the frame, we recommend you recruit an extra set of hands for the next step. Have your helper center and hold the frame with the hinges facing out toward you. Align the inside of the frame with the outer edges of the window, checking that it's straight with the level. With the frame held firmly to the wall, drill in screws at the top holes of the left and right frame sections. You want to drill them in, then back out slightly to allow for adjustments later. Next step is to attach the panels. Align the hinges of the panels with the hinges of the frame and drop a pin through each one to hold them together. Place a level on the bottom frame, then shift the frame left to right until it's straight. Once the bottom is level, hold the frame in place by pressing it against the wall and drill in your 2 bottom screws. Test the panels and make sure they are straight and close easily. If not, slightly drill out the bottom screws and shift the frame until it's level again. Tighten the bottom screws first, followed by the top screws. Then, using the remaining frame holes as your guide, drill in the rest of the screws to mount the shutter securely to the wall. That's it! Now test the shutter by tilting the control louver open and closed. Do not use the tilt bar, as this can cause unnecessary wear and tear to the louvers. Should the louvers become loose, use a screwdriver to tighten them with a slight turn of the tension screw on the inside edge of each panel. We hope you enjoy your beautiful new shutters from Select Blinds.